Today we got a video from Body Cam Ninja, and the title of the video is Wannabe Gangster Turns Simple Traffic Stop into Wild Standoff.
On January 16, 2025, an officer initiated a traffic stop after noticing a vehicle dragging an object beneath its rear tire.
He's still flicking me off.
I ain't no warning. Get your fat ass on. Get your fat ass on. Get your fat ass on.
Freddie.
Get your fat ass
Freddie.
on. Get your fat ass on.
Fred?
Everything you need to know right here. I ain't drunk. I ain't intoxicated. I don't even do drugs. I didn't feel my train of thought.
Hey.
Get your dick eating ass on. You ain't got shit to talk about. Get your dick eating ass on. Everything you need to know. Get your dick eating ass on. Get your dick eating ass on. You can see my license. You ain't taking it in your possession.
Hey, do you see what's hanging out of your car?
What?
A drill.
Oh, well, so what? That ain't important.
It's dragging along the street.
Oh, so what? That ain't important. That ain't important. Get your dick eating ass on.
You gotta give me your license.
You know, I don't gotta give you shit. I gotta show you it.
Give me your license.
I'm showing you it. I don't gotta give you shit. So get your bitch ass on. Officer Cruz, I'm a black man. I know the law before cases. Get your dick eating ass on.
Okay.
Get your dick eating ass on.
Give me your license. I can't
I ain't
see
gotta get. No, you see
about to
it.
get yanked out of the fucking car. Give me your line.
You threatening me? You threatening me?
You're about to get arrested.
I ain't finna get shit. You see it. You see it. I ain't gotta give you my license. I can show you it.
I can't see it. Give me it.
You can.
Give me. Stop reaching for shit too.
You can't shut the up talking to me, bitch. Shut the up talking to me. You can't see that? Get your dick eating ass on.
Get out. Give me the license.
I ain't gotta give you shit.
Give me it.
I don't gotta give you shit. Call for a sergeant.
Call for a sergeant?
Yeah.
We'll take care of that in a second, but give me your license.
No, I ain't gotta give you shit when you see it. My flashlight way brighter than yours. Can I flash my shit in your light? The fuck is you talking about? Stop trying to touch me, bitch. This officer sitting right here with my license. I want a license right here, and this bitch ass cop talking about I gotta give him my shit like I'm a dumb ass nigga or something. Get your ass out of here. Get your ass out of here. I got two licenses.
Get out of the car.
I ain't gotta give you shit.
Get out of the car.
I ain't gotta do nothing.
Get out of the car.
I ain't gotta do shit. I ain't gotta do shit.
Step out.
Get your hands off me. Get your hands off.
Oh, here we go. Showtime, baby. Okay, who winning? Who getting the best of who?
Going to jail. Going to jail.
Oh, caught him. Got him. Oh. Oh, nah. Oh, wait, it ain't work. It ain't work. Oh.
That shit don't work for me.
What?
Get off me. Get off me. Now.
Oh, nah. See, this when you dealing with a different type of demon, boy. When you use your taser and it don't affect them, it's like, oh my God, what is going on? It's like, what? Yo, these are different type of demons, boy. These right here, boy. Oh man. That boy uses taser, you know, because for most people, it works. For most people, it works. But now that it don't work, what's next? Because, you know, we don't see people use their pepper sprays that often anymore. I don't know if the cops still carry them and stuff, but I would assume they do. You know what I mean? That'd be my next go-to. Shoot, okay. You know, the taser ain't work. Now we gonna spray you down. Hit them with that. Hey. For most people, that's gonna work. Now that right there, that's gonna work.
Get off me. Get off me. Get off me. Now. Can't believe this.
That boy ripped the cord out. That boy. Oh, hold up now.
You hear my taser? Right in here.
Uh-oh, backup coming now.
Shut the f up and get out of the car now! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Crawl out right now! Crawl out to me! Right now! Crawl out to me! Crawl out to me, keeping your hands up! Hey, come to me! I won't do nothing to you! Crawl out! Crawl out of the car!
Spring 33, that's where we're at.
Crawl out of the car, keeping your hands up! This motherfucker
Hey,
beat my
son,
ass.
get Cruz,
How did I
walk
get
him
his
back.
taser? He just brought
Hey,
me the
come out of the car!
Hey, one of you.
This motherfucker just beat my ass. I'll be able to do it. I'm not. You're not
Good?
Get out of the car now.
Kick me in the face, too.
The seat press is right
We're
here.
gonna pull you out, or you are going to get out.
I'm not
I'm gonna tase you if you don't stop. All right. We're good.
This motherfucker just beat my ass.
We don't need any more cars.
Just beat my ass, bro.
And that's something we can deal with, but you're not listening. But you're not listening.
I got 2 licenses. He asked me for one of them. He snatched the other one. He tased me 2 times. He kicked me all in my face.
Just dragging this along. With the light shining out of it.
They got him together, boy.
This motherfucker just beat my, trying to call himself trying to tase me twice.
You ain't acting right.
In my system or nothing. Dude just trying to beat my ass. He tased me twice. And I got 2 driver's licenses.
All right, have a seat.
Face the car. Face the car. Fix pockets.
I don't do drugs. I don't have nothing on me.
Before I even get up, he starts flicking me off.
He judged my car.
And then he's not giving me his license.
This motherfucker punched me in my face. He's judging my
all right,
car.
one
He
second.
got the throwing punches on me. That's why his taser is in my car.
He hits me in the face, I punched him in the face.
How would I get his taser? Y'all pulling the strings from his taser in my fucking head. Out my fucking head.
You have another pair of pants on?
Yes, I do. It ain't nothing in them.
I'm trying to make sure.
I tase him. He gets back. Try to hit him again with the taser. It's not working on me. I go to try to stun him. He backs up. Grabs taser and kicks me in the face.
Go ahead and have a seat, please.
That officer
Dang.
Cruz, Tate
right.
Cruz, that motherfucker just
Get in the
literally
car.
tased me twice.
Get in
That
the car.
shit did not work. And then he jumped in the car and got the throwing punches
Okay.
on me. I'm real
right, hey,
good.
Sergeant,
That's
good.
how I
I'll
got
talk to you
his
in a minute.
taser. That's why I got his taser. I told you, I
Get
do
in the
this
car.
shit. I do
He
this
said,
shit.
I do
I'm
this.
in the car.
Shut up.
I can't believe this shit just happened.
All because of this. All because of this shit.
Oh, he's banging on down on
Yeah, man, the light was on and everything. I
mean, that adds up.
honestly, I was just gonna tell him, like, hey, man, go grab. I was gonna
It's
run
like,
him.
hey, pick it up. Getting beat
Yeah.
up. Okay.
We got in a whole fucking brawl for no reason.
Because there's no way you can beat a black man with 2 licenses that's intoxicated, that ain't do nothing wrong, and then put me in handcuffs and ask me my information that y'all got out of my wallet.
Oh yeah, you got kicked good.
Yeah, man, he got me. He got me right on my forehead.
But his body cam has to show everything that's going on. You will see, I'm sober, he's lying, and he needs to be put in handcuffs like I am.
Wasn't a bad kick, I'll give him that. He got me right on my forehead on.
Yeah, damn.
Damn, that officer must look crazy right now.
It's fine. He's gonna beat us in court. He's getting everybody's badge and guns, so.
Here you come, Chuck, and I'm gonna do everything you need to do.
Listen, you know what's crazy? They make it as a joke, right? You know, oh, he's gonna beat this in court, whatever, right? And it's like hee ha ha, it's funny, right? But we know that these criminals do not get no punishment for their crimes. So I know it's a joke and he means it as a joke, but this very well could become reality. You know, these guys never get any punishment. He cracked him in the forehead, kicked him. He hit him with the Shawn Michaels Sweet Chin Music. Bow! Oh! Cracked him. You know what I'm saying? And probably won't even get no punishment. That's the unfortunate side of this, man.
So y'all just get the sexual harassment pretty much. You're touching me and I'm already in handcuffs doing whatever you're telling me to do. So where's the reason for you to touch me? Do you have
He was
my
tased. He
keys?
needs to get checked out
I
before
was
jail will
tased
accept him.
twice. I was tased twice.
She wouldn't need your name. Go ahead and give it.
They took my ID and they took 2 of
Give
my
her your
licenses.
name.
You give her my name. You give her my name.
I don't have it written down. It's in my car. Just give her your
Right.
name.
You hear that? He wrote me up, wrote a ticket, took my wallet.
Dumbass.
Y'all been in here. He just called me a dumbass.
And you are a dumbass.
Real black man. God Nothing like yours. Nothing like no gun on my waist. Nothing like no taser and 2 clips. Hey, I want y'all to breathalyze me too. A sobriety test. A sobriety test.
Oh no, jail for 4 years.
These cowards discuss me and talk about some Americans' flag and justice. Need to turn in y'all badges. Chumps. Call me stupid.
The suspect was charged with aggravated battery on an officer and disarming an officer, both felonies. He was found unfit to stand trial and avoided prison.
In other words, he got off. You see what I'm saying? This is what I'm saying. He was unable to fit trial and avoided prison. You can't make this shit up. You can't make it up. He kicked the officer in the head. Probably got a big footprint boot on him. Like, probably look crazy because the other officers, you could tell that, you know, they like, oh yeah, they got you good. You know, we can't see the officer's face, but you could tell he got hit with some shit. You know what I'm saying? Unable to fit trial, avoided prison. Unbelievable, man. Unfreaking believable. This justice system is crazy, bro. Crazy. You can act Looney Tunes and do whatever you want. No repercussions. Anyway, I you know, overall, I get an officer, man. I give him 4 out of 5. You know what? I give him 5 out of 5, man. I ain't gonna lie. I give him 5 out of 5, man. Hey, when you gotta get the thumping and rumbling, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? So 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know how well you think the officer did in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.